This self-balancing autonomous robot might be a game-changer in logistics. evoBOT is based on the principle of an inverse pendulum. The design eliminates the need for an external counterweight, making the unit particularly space-saving and lightweight. evoBOT has 2 powered wheels at the bottom and 2 arms with inward-facing disc-shaped grip pads. Its dynamically stable system makes it permanently balanced. evoBOT can lift objects weighing up to 220.5 pounds and reach a top speed of 37.3 miles per hour with a strong braking effect. Using a combination of sensors and localization algorithms, the robot can adapt to environments and new tasks in real time and perform on different and uneven surfaces, even inclines. With a long driving time of up to 8 hours on a single charge, evoBOT can be used for a variety of indoor and outdoor tasks. In addition to transporting, loading, cleaning, and servicing tasks. It could even be used as an assistance and companion robot for the elderly and people with disabilities in the future.